Congratulations on closing your loan with Title Loans. We thank you for trusting us with your real estate investing needs. Here are a couple of tips when requesting a draw. Number one, we want to make sure that your budget and your draw request match one another. If you have any items that are not on your draw request or on your budget, we need to make sure that we account for them. To make sure that your draw request and the budget line item match one another. Also, you want to make sure that the budget you're using is also the budget that we have on file. When you submit your draw request, make sure to itemize the items. For example, if you are submitting for windows, sod, and paint that total $24,000, instead of putting that on one line item, what you're gonna wanna do is to break it out. So you're gonna wanna submit a line item for windows with that dollar amount. You're gonna wanna submit another line item on the draw request form for sod with that dollar amount, and then you'll submit a third line item that says paint with that corresponding dollar amount. This will help your draw from being delayed. In order to submit a draw request, you'll go online to www.titleloans.com/request-a-draw. Please do not email draw requests. If you need to make a budget change, they can only be considered before the first draw, and all budget changes have to be reviewed by our underwriters. Finished line items such as doors and flooring can only be reduced by 20%. Any proposed changes that will affect the ARV or the after repair value will not be considered. During your loan process, you submitted a budget that we turned into the appraiser that allowed the appraiser to determine the value of the property after the revisions were done. If you change those line items, then it could potentially change what that after repair value of the property was, which is why those line items will not be considered. All items must be completed and/or installed in order for us to release funding. However, on a case-by-case basis, we can allow for partial completion of certain items. We will wire based on total percentage completion on each inspection report. Please submit your draw request a couple of days in advance. For example, if you know that you would like your inspection to be conducted on a Wednesday, please submit your draw request on Monday. That way we can make sure that the inspector can put you on their schedule for Wednesday. Please make sure that when you submit your draw request that your budget and your line items match. You also want to make sure that if you've submitted for a budget revision, that has been done before your first draw and that it's also been reviewed by our underwriters. Also make sure that any work you're submitting a request for has been installed and/or completed. And also you want to make sure that you allow us enough time to schedule the inspector to go on site to review the work that you've completed. If you need to make a payoff request, please note that payoff requests take 5 to 7 business days. If you need to submit for a payoff request, please go to www.titleloans.com/payoff request, or you can contact the loan servicer directly. Any draw request questions that you might have, please submit them to setup@titleloans.com.